Hello, and welcome to the Soma and Sage YouTube channel, where we bring wisdom for the body and calm for the mind. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a topic that can sound intimidating but is actually wonderfully accessible: biohacking for beginners. When you hear biohacking, you might picture expensive gadgets or extreme diets. But at its heart, biohacking is simply about intentionally optimizing your body and mind. And the gentlest, most effective way to start is by aligning your body's natural clock, your circadian rhythm, with the rhythm of the day. We're going to talk about 3 simple, free, and incredibly powerful hacks to help you feel more energized during the day and sleep more deeply at night. Hack number 1. The gentle alarm clock, morning light. Our modern lives are often out of sync with nature. We wake up in the dark, rush straight to our devices, and wonder why we feel foggy. The biggest gentle hack? Sunlight. As soon as you wake up, before you check your phone, try to get some natural light exposure. The action: step outside, or open a window, for 5 to 10 minutes within the first hour of waking. You don't need to stare at the sun, just let the light hit your eyes. Why it works? This natural light signals to your brain that the day has started, stopping the production of the sleep hormone melatonin and kicking off your cortisol production, the healthy kind that gives you energy. Think of it as the most natural, gentle alarm clock you could ever use. It sets the foundation for your entire day. Hack number 2. The mindful reset, low-impact movement. When we think of exercise, we often picture intensity, sweat, strain, and high-impact cardio. But for regulating your rhythm, it's not about intensity, it's about intention and consistency. We want to move our bodies just enough to release physical stagnation and boost circulation without causing stress. The action: incorporate low-impact movement, especially in the afternoon slump or after a long period of sitting. This could be a 10-minute walk, a gentle stretch, or a few sun salutations. The Soma and Sage approach. Pay attention to how the movement feels. Is your back tight? Are your shoulders tense? This is the somatic wisdom, the wisdom of the body, guiding you to what needs attention. A simple stroll after lunch is often more powerful for sustained energy than another cup of coffee. Hack number 3. The rest ritual, mindful wind down. Just as we need a signal to wake up, we need a signal to wind down. This is where we truly cultivate rest as a ritual. The biggest blocker to a good night's sleep is the blue light emitted by our phones, tablets, and TVs. This light mimics daylight and tells your brain to stay awake. The action: start your wind down routine at least 1 hour before bed. First, dim the lights in your home, using warmer, amber-toned lighting. Second, limit screens. If you must look at a screen, use blue light filters. Third, practice a somatic sage minute. This is a 1-minute practice where you simply lie in bed, place a hand on your heart and a hand on your belly, and just focus on the sensation of your breath. By limiting the stimulating light and introducing a conscious moment of reflection, you cue your body that it is safe to enter a deep, restorative rest. In conclusion, gentle biohacking isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. It's about giving your body the right inputs at the right time. If you're a beginner, please don't try to do all 3 hacks at once. Just choose one today. Get 10 minutes of morning light. Take a 10-minute mindful walk. Put your phone away 1 hour before bed. Start simple. Listen to your body's wisdom. And watch how beautifully your natural rhythm begins to regulate itself. Thank you for tuning in to Soma and Sage. Until next time, be well, and choose rest as your ritual.